The construction, the quality, everything is really good.
We want him to play freely, and there is a lot of space in Garden City, a lot of gardens.
The best part is the quality of construction. So I think Nutric is a place to be.
Nutric Properties.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, sir. My name is Riti Sharma, and I welcome you at Nutric Properties. Can you bit introduce yourself? Can we start with you first, sir?
So my name is Anshul Gupta,
Mhm.
and I'm from Gwalior,
Okay.
and we live in Dal Bazaar, Gwalior, and we are mostly into agricultural commodity trading and stock trading as well.
Okay, nice.
And this is my wife. Shivani.
Please, ma'am.
So yeah, my name is Shivani Sharan, and I'm from Gwalior, and I'm working as a software engineer in an IT firm. So yeah.
Sir, can you please explain us like how did you met Nutric Properties, and can you tell what exactly you bought in Nutric Properties?
So we bought a duplex in Garden City, uh, and we really liked the construction. We have seen a lot of Nutric properties before as well, and the construction, the quality, everything is really good, and that is why we thought of probably checking it out. And yeah, so that was one of the things. And besides, uh, we already know Artik Gupta's, so he's known to us. He's our relative. So yeah, one of the reasons. And besides, anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, so basically, the primary reason to bought the villa in Garden City is, arcade, because, we want him to play freely, and there is a lot of space in Garden City, a lot of gardens, and there is, clubhouse, swimming pools, and
Security is quite good.
yeah, security is very good here. Yeah, and there are mall as well, right?
Yeah, we are going to get it soon.
Yeah. So yeah, so and construction is very good there. So yeah, he really liked it.
So you bought the property for residential purpose or was for investment?
See, right now it is as an investment only. But yeah, hopefully in future, once our kid is like 2.5 years old right now, so once he grows up, maybe we'll shift. But yeah, for the time, it is as an investment only.
Okay. Sir, also want to know that when you buy or purchase a property, no matter if you're purchasing it for investment purpose or for residential, you look for so many things. You compare it with n number of builders also. So, what was the specific those points or USP of Nutrig you found that you did not found in any other builders in Gwalior?
So see, best part is the quality of construction,
Mm-hmm.
and also they deliver on the date they promise. So these are two important as in the criteria, the factors you can say that we really liked about. But yes, majorly the construction part.
Yeah.
It's the best in quality.
Okay. And anything specific you would like to add, ma'am?
Yeah, same, the quality and the construction is very good.
Okay.
Yeah. And everything is in one place in, Garden City. That is really good.
Even timely delivery.
Okay. And sir, would you like to suggest Nutric Properties or Garden City or any of other project of ours to anyone, to any of your family member or to relative, your friends?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, if someone is looking out for another home or a holiday home, or if someone wants to say stay over some good peaceful place on weekends, so I think Nutric is a place. Uh, I mean, even in Garden City, there's a lot of bees there, a lot of breweries there. So it's a wonderful. It can be used as a good vacation home as. Sure.
Yeah.
We would love to suggest it to everyone.
Thanks so much for that, sir. And what is your feedback about the staff and services of Nutric?
So far, it's been very good. Yeah, I mean, everything has been quite nice and good.
And did you also dealt with the staff and services of Nutric? So what was the experience overall?
It's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's good.
Okay. And ma'am, what is the score in the scale of 1 out of 10 we would like to give us?
We give it as in out of what 10? Yeah, we give it 10 on 10.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you.